In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Figma to PSD. Start in Figma with the design you want to convert. Go to File, then choose Save a Local Copy. This creates a .fig file, which is Figma's native format and the best way to preserve your project's contents for conversion. Think of it like packaging your entire design frames, layers, and groups, so it transfers cleanly. Choose a location you'll remember, such as your desktop or a project folder, and give it a clear name so you can find it quickly later. Next, open your browser and go to Photopea.com. Photopea runs entirely in the browser and supports opening Fig files without any installation. Once it's loaded, click File, then Open and select the .fig file you just saved. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the .fig file directly into the Photopea window, depending on the size and complexity of your design. It may take a moment to load, so let it finish processing before you continue. With your design open in Photopea, it's time to create the Photoshop file. Click File, then Save as PSD. Photopea will convert your document and prepare a layered PSD that mirrors your Figma structure as closely as possible. Your browser may prompt you to choose where to save it, or it might place it in your default Downloads folder. Confirm the file name and destination so you'll know exactly where it ends up. Now you can open the downloaded PSD in Adobe Photoshop and start editing. And that's it. Thanks for watching.